Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Gorham, local and long-distance movers near me. For planning a long-distance move, a substantial amount of time is required. And if you're planning to move a long distance or internationally for the first time, you won't be aware of all the things to organize. So if you're unsure about the different stages of the moving process, then selecting experienced and licensed residential and commercial movers is the right choice. Working with us, you get a team of proficient movers who will manage all the tasks related to your move. You can also get rid of packaging and heavy lifting the belongings. Moreover, our movers will come to your place with the right size trucks that can fit all the inventory. Therefore, we'll help you move quickly. Hiring the local moving companies relocating within the same city is the best decision to get high quality and quick moving services. Our movers have prior experience in managing complex moves with full care and thoughtful planning. Therefore, you can save your energy and time and focus on all the other important tasks to complete before relocating to your next destination. Moreover, even if you're considering moving alone or with the help of family members, then you cannot make it like professional moving companies will do. Our movers have the right techniques and all the tools to do every task effectively. Therefore, you get the safety insured by our movers, so you can get easy moving time with the help of our movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gorham moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.